Welcome to Linny Kenney Leather. I'm Wyatt. What we're going to look at today are the small chef knife rolls. These are a really great compact solution for professional and recreational chefs who are looking to carry kind of the minimum of gear that you might need out of your kitchen to a barbecue or a friend's house or another professional kitchen or whatever it might be. There's 5 slots in here, so you can bring 5 knives or a few knives and a few other things if you choose. We do, of course, have the large chef's knife rolls. These have 12 pockets in them. So if you are a professional chef or you're heading somewhere and you need to really bring a lot of gear, you know, you can fit everything but the kitchen sink in one of these. And the full-on shoulder strap and hardware, and they're really kind of a premier product and they're excellent, but it's a little bit much sometimes, especially if you're going camping or you're, you know, headed out into the woods or something like that. This is a little more compact. It can slide into a backpack. It weighs very little, but it's still very robust. And it's going to give your knives and tools all of the protection that they could possibly need. So what's going on here? These are made from Italian leather that we have shipped in from a small tannery in Tuscany. It's all really simple kind of laced leather system here, closure. And then the inside, you've got 5 slots here in what we call Bio-Suede. And this is the most environmentally sourced suede that we could find anywhere in the world. We have this shipped in from Portugal, and it's a really good product. It's essentially just a very high quality suede that's made to very high environmental standards as far as, you know, the methods and processes used. And this is all, of course, put together right here in the USA and comes with a lifetime warranty, as you'd expect. So how are we gonna deck one of these small knife rolls out, you know, for a weekend of adventure or going to a party or heading off to, you know, a family gathering or something like that? You've got a whole variety of things. Personally, when I use my knife roll, typically I'm headed out to grill, to barbecue, to go run the smoker for a while or something like that. So a typical sort of loadout for me, let's see, is gonna look like probably a meat thermometer. You know, high quality meat thermometer is gonna slide right in here. You can see that you've got large pockets, medium-sized pockets, and smaller pockets. So you got to kind of pick and choose what you're doing here. But let's say you've got that sorted out and you're probably going to need large slicing knife. These knife rolls are designed to take, you know, a full 18 inches of whatever you can fit in here, be that a knife, or say you're going to a barbecue, maybe you're gonna bring a bunch of skewers or something like that. You know, that's perfectly great. Those can slide right in here, no problem at all. What else might you need? Well, maybe you need just a general purpose chef's knife or something like that. Let's say this guy right here. Looking pretty good. Let's bring, you know, just a tasting spoon just for doing some stuff. You might need to bring, let's say, a brush if we're grilling. That's always good to have. Maybe a mini whisk. Again, maybe you're gonna make some sauce. That's great. And that might be all that you need, and that's wonderful. So all you do then is flip the cover over, roll this guy up, give it a quick wrap, tie it up, and you're good to go. Another trick that I personally do if I'm going anywhere with a barbecue, you know, design knife roll like this, I'm gonna put my oven mitts right on the inside of here and roll the whole package up. There's plenty of cordage here to go ahead and tie that off, and then you've got a variety of knives, your thermometer, a handful of small tools, and your oven mitts right inside this nice little roll. So you can see where we're headed with this. You know, it is a knife roll, yes, but the likelihood that you'll carry 5 knives is pretty small. You're probably not gonna need 5 knives. You're probably gonna need 1 or 2 knives and a variety of other things depending on where you're going and what equipment's gonna be available to you there. One of the other situations where a knife roll like this is really, really nice to have with you, family events, family gatherings, you know, the holidays, whether it's Thanksgiving or Christmas or whatever you celebrate out there. If you're headed to someone else's kitchen, they're gonna have everything else that you need. This is just kind of cheap insurance that when you get there, you're gonna have sharp knives and you'll be able to, you know, assist and help out and accomplish any tasks that you might need to in the kitchen. So hopefully that's a good primer on the small chef's knife roll. Again, maybe you only have 1 or 2 knives in here, but it gives you the ability to bring a handful of tools with you wherever you might be going so that you can do the job you need to when you get there. So check out linnykenney.com. The link's in the description. We've got a variety of colors available right now, the grays and the browns and some really nice stuff. But that rotates, you know, we'll have some wild colors every once in a while, some limited edition stuff. And certainly if you really want a yellow one, a purple one, one with your name and face on it, we can make that happen as well. Get in touch anytime. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and have fun out there.